We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is Starline Pro on a 2019 BMW X5. So this has dual immobilisation, so if a thief got the key, went to steal the vehicle, when they put it in gear, the vehicle's going to cut out. That's the Pro immobilisation part of this system. We'll also insert another video of the gearbox lock, so if they went to put it in gear, the vehicle's just not going to go into gear. That's in the background. If a thief tries to override one, they have to override a second. If the customer wants to drive it, they can have a code 1, 2, 3. Hear a disarm tone and drive away. Put it in gear, vehicle remains running. Or they can just have a code. So they start the car up, or they just have their phone in their pocket. They start the car, it disarms through the phone in their pocket. They can select a gear and drive away. We've also fitted a Scorpion insurance approved S7 tracking system just to satisfy the insurance company, but the Starline Pro with dual immobilisation to protect the vehicle. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and when a thief grabs the key, selects a gear, the vehicle cuts out. Also has a gearbox lock as well to protect the vehicle. So 2 forms of immobilisation. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.